Getting good sleep is incredibly important for your overall health. It may reduce your risk of developing certain chronic illness, keep your brain healthy, and boost your immune system. It is generally recommended that you get between 7 and 9 hours of uninterrupted sleep each night, though many people struggle to get enough. There are many strategies you can use to promote good sleep, including making changes to your diet, as some foods and drinks have sleep promoting properties. Here are the 8 best foods and drinks you can have before bed to enhance your quality of sleep. 1. Salmon. Fatty fish and especially salmon is rich in omega 3 fatty acids and vitamin D. The reason is that these two things help produce more serotonin, which has been proven to promote easier sleep. More specifically, people with vitamin D deficiency have been found to be more prone to having sleep trouble. And wild salmon is one of the richest source of vitamin D. 2. Almonds and walnuts. Almonds are rich in substance called melatonin. They are also rich in magnesium and calcium, two minerals that help relax your muscles. The way magnesium works is by reducing inflammation that can cause a lot of anxiety and pain to the sufferer. Walnuts provide very similar properties and they also contain tryptophan, a sleeping induced amino acid. This acid has been found to provide help to patients suffering from mild insomnia. Also, walnuts are rich in fatty acids, which raise the levels of serotonin even higher, helping you fall asleep even faster. 3. Herbal tea. Chamomile tea in particular contains high doses of flavones and apecnine. On one hand, flavones reduce inflammation, which induces a more stress-free sleep. On the other hand, apecnine is a great antioxidant that has the ability to promote sleepiness and reduce the effects of insomnia. Passion flower is well-known wine that helps people deal with insomnia, anxiety and pain. It is an over-the-counter medicine that on many occasions has helped people reduce brain activity. This is ideal since many people find their brains fully activated even after they have tucked themselves into bed. 4. Kiwi. In a study that took place in 2011, 24 participants were fed 2 kiwis 1 hour before sleep for 4 weeks. At the end of this period, all the participants noticed improved sleep pattern. They observed that they slept better, fell asleep faster, and did not wake up in the middle of the night. It is believed that kiwis' high level of serotonin is the main reason that they can be so beneficial when it comes to insomnia. 5. White rice. Due to its high glycemic rate, rice has been found to promote quality sleep. In a study where 1,848 people participated, it was concluded that those who ate more rice had much better sleep duration. Also, a past study showed that kids under 2 years of age had much better sleep after consuming high glycemic index items for their evening meal. 6. Fresh sour cherries and sour cherry juice. Sour or tart cherries are rich in fiber, antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. Thanks to all these properties, a study has suggested that they can help with insomnia. They reduce inflammation while they increase the levels of melatonin. Melatonin is produced by our bodies naturally, but it may not enough for those suffering from insomnia. That's why enlisting some extra help like consuming cherries can increase its levels. Let it be noted that melatonin won't put you to sleep immediately, it will just help you relax faster. 7. Holy basil. Not to be confused with basil you put in your marinara sauce, holy basil is a herb that was born in Asia. It is verified stress reliever that has helped many people improve their sleep. The way Olibesil works is by reducing cortisol in our body. The latter is responsible for increasing our stress levels and therefore creating sleeplessness and insomnia. So you can add this herb to your pasta or more commonly infuse it in some hot water and drink it like a tea. 8. Oatmeal. Like many of the foods mentioned above, oats also contain tryptophan. Not only that, but they are also rich in vitamin B3, which helps in serotonin production. This vitamin is wonderful shield against cholesterol and it is also great antioxidant. It has been found that vitamin B3 deficiency can cause anxiety, fatigue, and memory loss. On many occasions, people have suffered from depression because of this deficiency. This means that eating oats will not only increase serotonin and therefore help you sleep better, but will also shield you from depression. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like button, share the video, and subscribe the channel.